In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace and Microsoft Teams using a third-party integration tool like Zapier or Make.com. This is an incredibly useful skill for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and foster better communication across platforms. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to either Zapier or Make.com. Both of these platforms are designed to facilitate seamless integration between various apps. For simplicity, let's work with Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, if you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to create a new account or log in if you already have one. Now, after you log in, you'll be directed to the dashboard where you can create a new Zap, which is what Zapier calls their automated workflows. Here, you'll combine Squarespace and Microsoft Teams to communicate effectively. Next, it's time to authenticate both of the accounts you're looking to integrate. Begin by selecting Squarespace as the trigger app. This means that something happening in Squarespace will prompt an action elsewhere. Zapier will then ask you to sign into your Squarespace account to authenticate the connection. Follow the instructions to log in, ensuring Zapier has the necessary permissions to access your Squarespace data. After you've successfully connected Squarespace, move on to Microsoft Teams like before, selecting it as the action app. Authentication works in a similar manner here too. Simply authorize your Microsoft Teams account by logging in when prompted. Once both accounts are authenticated, you're ready to set up triggers and actions. Think of triggers as events that start your automation. For Squarespace, this could be a form submission when someone fills out a form on your website. You'll need to specify which form submission will trigger the action to ensure accuracy. After setting your trigger, move to Microsoft Teams to configure the action. For this example, set your action to send a message. It could be a notification in a specific Teams channel, informing you or your team of new submissions on Squarespace. Before you activate your new integration, perform a test run. Zapier typically includes a test feature that allows you to apply the triggers and actions you've set without affecting any real data. Use a mock form submission to see if the message gets sent in Teams. If everything works as expected, congratulations. If there are any hiccups, check for errors in your setup, ensuring all fields and permissions are properly configured. Finally, after a successful test, it's time to activate your Zap. Turn on your integration by hitting the Activate button, enabling the automation to run automatically from now on. Remember, you can manage and modify your Zaps at any time directly from your Zapier dashboard, giving you flexibility to adapt as your workflow evolves. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully connected Squarespace with Microsoft Teams, improving how you manage information and communicate across your platforms. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.